Dogecoin holders, you definitely will need to watch out for this, as I'm going to cover a few things on Dogecoin that you do want to look at. I did do my price prediction yesterday and it is going to be around the same, but as of right now, some analysis is happening on Dogecoin along with some issues with the overall meme coin market that is seeing movement going into other cryptocurrencies. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence. Only 60% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of Dogecoin overall. So lately on Dogecoin, looking at an hour time frame, you can kind of see how we kind of broke the trend here. We broke it, seen it go back up. We had some resistance right there at the top line, which I'm going to highlight here for you guys. That is going to be around the 42-cent range. We had a high of 43.9 on November 12th, 2024. We're starting to see some more momentum here as well. We're seeing it kind of break through the trends, kind of staying pretty steady. And then finally here we see it break again. And then we had seen it this time break the trend line in a negative way. So we're starting to kind of see movement within Dogecoin. Dogecoin itself has given us over a 151% gain within 11 days and 5 hours using the trading indicator. The trading indicator is definitely going to be good for long-term holders, along with people that's wanting to swing trade. It's also good for day trading as well, but you're going to need to know a little bit more analysis if you're looking at day trading. Dogecoin, over 151% gain that it had given us, going from around the 14-cent range all the way up to the 37 range. That was starting on November 4th of 2024 all the way to Friday, November 15th. So we've seen some price action there along with major movement within the Dogecoin army itself. As of right now, Pepe's down 8.5%, Dogecoin and Shiba is down around 3%, but every other cryptocurrency looks pretty green here. You're seeing it because Bitcoin is kind of staying pretty stable. A lot of money is being moved from Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Shiba, and Pepe going into XRP, Stellar Lumens, and it's just because that is people following the money, following the hype, chasing the scalp trades where they're just looking for a quick buck, getting in and out. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So Dogecoin's market cap is currently $54.1 billion. You can tell within the last day we have lost over $12 billion volume on Dogecoin itself. We're currently right at around $8 billion in volume on Dogecoin. So a lot of people is either holding the coin, or what they're seeing right now is waiting to see if there's going to be movement into Dogecoin long term, or if it's just going to be a swing or a day trade. Typical hold time for Dogecoin according to Coinbase is 105 days. The all-time high is 74 cents. Popularity is number 7, so it's within the top 10 on Coinbase, making it easier for people who's using the exchanges to be able to purchase Dogecoin. Price change within a week is 72%. Price change within 2 weeks is 131% gain. Price change within a month is 193%. And if you would have got this a year ago, you would have got over a 380% profit on Dogecoin. So why did Dogecoin run? Dogecoin ran because a lot of the meme coins were starting to fire off after Bitcoin had broke all-time high. Bitcoin is currently consolidating. A lot of movement into XRP and Stellar Lumens today, just because of the fact that XRP is a big gainer. It is also number 6 in popularity on Coinbase. But why is Dogecoin kind of running along with this? So Elon Musk was accused of rigging Dogecoin is ending. Whenever he was on Saturday Night Live, they tried to say that he kind of basically pumped it up by using certain words and certain keywords related to Dogecoin. Investors was looking around $258 billion as a class action lawsuit and amended their complaints 4 times in over 2 years. Elon Musk had bought Twitter back in 2022 and rebranded it to X. Even if you take a look here, you can see that investors accused of Musk using Twitter posts and appearance of the Saturday Night Live and other stunts to trade Dogecoin at their expense, including by timing trades to Elon Musk's public statements and activities. As you can see, there is a lot of people that has been accusing him of that for quite a while, ever since back in 2020, from whenever he first started to kind of talk about Dogecoin and make remarks regarding it. Elon Musk and Tesla, meanwhile, withdrew the motion to sanction their investors' lawsuit for pursuing a frivolous case with ever-changing legal theories to extort a quick handout to have it settled. As whenever you do think about that, you can kind of take a look here and seeing that Elon Musk allegedly interfering with the appeal, including by demanding payment of their legal hefty fees. With that affecting Dogecoin itself, that was actually really good for Elon Musk and the Dogecoin holders, as whenever it started to rise, that's whenever they had withdrew the $250 billion lawsuit on Elon Musk, which is definitely something that we have to look out for. Active lately with the amount of Dogecoin holders have been gaining, and easy access to purchase Dogecoin have been on a lot of exchanges, having one of the top popularities and a high market cap, making it more stable. I do still think Dogecoin could easily hit 50 cents very quickly, and we could easily see that just by around a $15 billion increase in market cap. But as of right now, we're going to need more volume and news coming along with Dogecoin and the overall market. If people keep continuing to knock down these meme coins, it looks like they're attempting to sell the meme coins, putting it into other cryptos that are currently running, and they're chasing the hype, which is easy to fall back on due to the fact that there is a possibility when there is volume, there is potential for growth, and there's also potential for a major pullback, and that could cause people to emotional trading. Emotional trading is definitely one of the things that can cause a lot of people to get in and out of positions thinking that they're going to FOMO, and then thinking that they're panicking whenever they start to see a major pullback of around 8 to 10%, just like you've seen on Pepe today, along with these meme coins not as running, kind of staying pretty steady. Lower amount of volume, so there's less activity, but there's still enough activity to kind of knock it down around 3 to 5% of the market cap while moving it over into other cryptos. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own due diligence before ever investing in any cryptocurrency. Let me know what you guys think about Dogecoin down below. Is it going to reach $1 or 50 cents with